Hello, I'm Anastasia Kongo, a fashion designer and a clothing technology trainee in the Kenya Technical Trainers College, taking clothing education in clothing technology as a course. So I'm going to demonstrate on how to make a cap sleeve, that is a freehand cap sleeve, and I'm going to look at the two variation of a cap sleeve, the one that comes up to the 3/4 way armhole and the one that covers the whole armhole. The learning objective of this tutorial is by the end of this tutorial, the learner should be able to know the tools used in pattern making and cutting. The learner should be able to take the armhole measurement. The learner should be able to cut a basic sleeve block. The learner should also be able to develop a cap sleeve from a basic block sleeve. And the learner should also be able to attach a sleeve around the armhole by stitching. Hello everyone, my name is Anastasia, a student in KTTC, taking education in clothing technology. So today I'm doing a tutorial on how to make a cap sleeve. A cap sleeve have two variations. There is the cap sleeve that covers the whole armhole and the cap sleeve that covers 3/4 the armhole. So when you want to cut out a cap sleeve, you need a bodice in order to take measurements that are going to help you to cut a cap sleeve. Right here I have my bodice. So this is the bodice that I'm going to use, and this bodice I'm going to take the measurement of the armhole from this point up to this point. So when I've taken the whole measurement of this armhole measurement, you will find that this is 10 inches. So 10 inches I'm going to multiply it by 2 so that I have 20 inches to cover the other side of the armhole measurement, so that I can have the all rounded armhole measurement. So I have 20 inches for the armhole measurement. So the 20 inches measurement, I'm going to divide it by 4, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 5 inches are the ones that I'm going to use to cut out my cap sleeve. So using a plain paper or a fabric, you fold the piece that you have into two. Once you have such a piece, using starting from this edge, from this folded edge, you're going to measure the measurement that you have found when you have divided. In our case, we have found that our cap sleeve is going to have 5 inches 5 inches. So we measure 5 inches. It's up to this point that I have my mark here. Then the depth of the cap sleeve is also 5 inches. A normal cap sleeve is usually 5 inches, and once we have that 5 inches, you measure from the bottom up to 1 inch so that you can bring in the right curvature of a cap sleeve. And once you have that, you have this as your depth and you have this as your length. You're going to curve and shape the cap sleeve. So this is our cap sleeve. It looks like this. This is the top, the bottom, the length, and the where we are going to attach in the bodice. So when we have the bodice, it is going to be very easy to attach it, and we're going to have a nice look for the bodice. So our cap sleeve will be like this once you have attached around it. So we have our cap sleeve like that, and we have our first variation of our cap sleeve. The other variation sleeve. The other variation goes all around the armhole. For that, we are not going to cover that today, but I'm just going to show you an example of how it would look like. I've already drafted it and done it, so it's just going to look like this, because the sleeve will cover the whole armhole. This we're going to cover next time. It's very interesting and a nice one. Thank you for watching. These are pictures of cap sleeves, not just a common cap sleeve, but also cap sleeves that have been designed into different looks. We have the flared one, the gathered one, the normal one, and the one that has been pleated. So they are cap sleeve can be done in variety. Thank you for watching.